Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on your iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. This issue seems to be caused by a software glitch. Don't worry, I have got a simple fix for you. So first of all, you have to open your settings, then scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Tap always on display and turn it off. Here you can see the option and make sure it is turned off. Then the next step is that you can force restart your iPhone. To do it, quickly release the volume up button, volume down button, and then hold the side button and then restart your iPhone. Once the logo appears, release the side button, and as I said, just restart it. This method won't delete any of your data. Your photos, videos, and apps will remain safe. Also check for software updates in your iPhone. To do it, go to settings and then tap on to general and go to software update. Once updated, you can try turning always on display back on to see if the problem is resolved. If the flickering issue persists, keep checking for future updates as Apple may release a permanent fix. That's it. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.